Well, good day everyone. This is just a quick update on wire stripping. I just want to thank a lot of YouTube subscribers who've been sending me a lot of comments. It's been really so inspiring this year, getting all the comments from you guys. It's encouraging that you guys are watching my videos, and I will endeavour to get more out there. I'm going to have trouble doing this, but one of my subscribers has asked how he can strip these white cables very easily. I don't have a wire stripper, but what I do is I just put it in the vise and I run my knife, my Stanley knife, just up the blade like that, all the way along, like that. I'm not doing this very well, but because I'm holding that, but that just comes straight off now. Just see, that's just come straight off. With there we are, we're left with, I don't know if you can see that terribly well, there we are, left with nice clean stripped copper wire. Sometimes I do it on the bench, and you know, I'll put it on the bench and I can just run my knife along like that and it takes it out. It's very simple to do, but and I do this for a really long wire. I run it all the way down the backyard here sometimes, and just doesn't take terribly long at all. But I don't get that amount of wire that requires me to buy a machine. For me, I'll just pick up this cable here off the ground. For me, I'll try and get this in focus for you. These are just a normal 3-core wire for a 3-plug here in Australia. For me, it's just far better if I cut the ends off, as I've done here, cut the ends off and just scrap it out like that. Much easier. But anyway, I hope you found that useful. Like I say, it's just a matter of getting your blade and just running it along, put a slither along, and your wire will just come straight out. Super easy to do. And also, getting back onto one of the older videos we did on vinegar and salt and all that, to get rid of the tarnish off your cables like these here. There's really no value in doing that, none whatsoever. Actually, there's a piece there. There's a piece there. That's some of the old stuff that was awfully black, and it really wasn't worth my while trying to do anything with it. Just strip the wire, put it in, get your money, and yeah, don't waste time stripping or trying to clean wire. And I know you might not have anything else to do, but seriously, you're not going to get the money. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and thanks to the subscriber who wanted to know how to strip some wire with white coating on it. So there you go. Alrighty, cheers.